More trouble over at Wirecard Solutions. Of course, the issuer of the very popular Crypto.com Visa debit card. And they have now been, let's say, shut down after the UK's main financial watchdog, that's the FCA, the Financial Conduct Authority, announced it has suspended the payment processor and its cards from operating. And that means that UK and Eurozone users of the Crypto.com product have now been left out in the cold. Now, the German payment processing firm Wirecard has had a spectacular fallout from Grace, and it sent shockwaves across Europe when it outright collapsed yesterday, leaving creditors holding a $4 billion, yes, that is Billy with a B, billion-dollar bag after it was disclosed that a $2 billion deficit was found on its books, which one audit firm described as a result of a sophisticated form of global fraud. Now, trouble appeared on the horizon just last week when it was revealed that the German-based online payment processor was unable to locate, just lost it, just a little bit over $2.1 billion worth of company funds. Yeah, Bob, I'm sorry. The martinis were very expensive for the business lunches, just super expensive. Now, the situation quickly deteriorated when the company's stock price began plunging on the German stock market. Almost looks like the chart of XRP. Followed by the CEO quitting, short selling, and later trading altogether getting halted. And finally, Wirecard filing for insolvency yesterday. Now, the magnitude of this failure begins to dawn on people when they consider the fact that the European Commission has launched a formal investigation into Germany's financial watchdog to determine how this oversight managed to happen, with some even suggesting that the German regulators may have been complicit to a degree with this fraud. Germany's Financial Times has been reporting on potential fraud going on at Wirecard, but Germany's watchdog seemed to have been far more interested in objecting to their reporting than it did into digging into what was actually going on at Wirecard. Now, the effects of this demise are being felt throughout the crypto space, as the FCA has set numerous conditions and prohibitions on Wirecard Solutions today, such as being no longer able to conduct any regulated activities, and in order to freeze all assets and funds of their users. Now, the folks over at Crypto.com and the MCO card assured their Euro and UK customers that funds are SAFU and that users will see their outstanding funds flow back into the Crypto.com balances within 48 hours. Now, the British regulator did go on to add that they will be working closely with Wirecard UK, that is the subsidiary of Wirecard Solutions in the UK, in order to help sort out this corporate mishap, and will take all necessary actions to safeguard the interests of the public, stating that they took additional measures to ensure Wirecard ceased all operations, meaning that Wirecard could not access customers' money to basically claw it back in an attempt to fill this big vacant hole, therefore protecting customer funds to a degree. So for those unfamiliar with Wirecard Solutions, they were the issuer of the Visa debit cards for crypto to fiat platforms like Crypto.com and 10x. And an official statement was published by the Crypto.com CEO on their blog today, explaining how the unfortunate collapse of Wirecard should not have an irreparable impact on customer demand for crypto debit cards. Now, Crypto.com stated that they're now working on transferring the card program to a new vendor and payment provider. And once that is in place, it would allow the firm to resume issuing cards and operating again in the Eurozone and the UK, allowing their customers to begin enjoying their crypto Visa cards at point of sale terminals again. But for right now, we're on hold. And as for Crypto.com and MCO users in other regions, U.S. customers are apparently not affected by the Wirecard scandal because U.S. Crypto.com customers have their cards issued by Metro Bank and are therefore unaffected, it seems. However, for users in the Asia Pacific region, their card issuer was also a subsidiary of Wirecard Solutions. So while it remains functional as of now, Crypto.com users from Asia, including Australia and New Zealand, should be wary that their cards will be the next to be suspended. And that's really a shame, because Crypto.com's fortunes were looking better than ever in recent weeks. It had rolled out in several regions, and the Crypto.com app went live across several platforms, the Apple Store, Android's Google Play, and even Samsung, live on Samsung Pay. So we were even discussing Crypto.com on the show just a few weeks ago with at least one of our members looking to join the platform, but waiting for a good opportunity to purchase the necessary MCO tokens at an attractive price. Now it seems the disaster at Wirecard might have provided, a good entry opportunity to acquire said MCO tokens at a nice discount, seeing that the token is down over 30% from recent highs. And while this may be, right, it all depends on the response. While this may be the beginning of the end for MCO.com, they might have to rethink, and maybe I don't want to say the beginning of the end. I think the MCO will recover from this, but this might be the beginning of a more pronounced downturn for the card, right? Particularly if any issues are found in the United States region, or if the suspensions roll over to the Asia Pacific region, as I think that they likely will. If MCO has issues, if Crypto.com has issues with finding another reliable and convenient card issuer and payment provider. However, it could also be an opportunity. Alex pointed this out this morning, where think of all these potential competitors like PayPal, Square Cash, Venmo, for example, Varo, all these potential partners or issuers or any other kind of financial companies that we're looking at something like Crypto.com as competition, because they already got their provider. They're competition to us now because their provider is competition to us. Now it's an opportunity, because that so many of these financial companies are looking for their into crypto. And now the Crypto.com finds itself in need of a new card issuer and payment provider. Potentially, this could actually be quite good. So again, down about 30%, potential buying opportunity. Again, as with all things, you guys are responsible for your own decisions, do your own due diligence, and make your investment choices wisely. So what do you guys think? Are any of you, obviously we have a big UK-based audience. Are any of you guys Crypto.com customers? And are you worried about your funds and if service will be restored? And are any of you prospective customers that were waiting for a good opportunity to buy into MCO? And do you think this is now it? Or do you think that you want to be more patient and wait to see how this thing plays out? Or, has this whole fiasco turned you off from Crypto.com? And has you worried about the future of these crypto to fiat debit cards? However you feel, make sure to let us know in the comments section down below. We'll touch on this here in a little bit.